Anyway, guys, today's what? What is it?
October 25th.
Today is October 25th. And remember I told you my sister is working on doing a channel. She created her channel and she did not even tell me. Real. Yeah, but it no matter.
Yeah, something her face.
Yeah. Anyway, so we are about to watch the premiere of Imani's YouTube channel. It's Immikins. That's IMMIKINZ. And everybody here.
Hey.
Everybody here. Get.
With my Who is that? Hey, my friend. Wait. Hey. Who is that? Who that?
Yeah, camera quality.
Nice.
Horrible smell. Anyways, hi guys.
Alright guys, welcome back to another vlog. Yo, thank you for tuning in back again. Islanders, yo, big up on yourself. So as always, we're here stuck on this island trying to find some entertainment. Currently it's raining. As I told you guys in the other video that I'm gonna go to Destinie's little birthday party and stuff. And these are some of the struggles, man. I had to like leave out of my house with all my cameras and stuff, and check it out, man. Look at this. Wow, it's pouring. But of course, yo, the show must go on, so probably in the next clip you guys gonna see me in there. Hopefully it's started and stuff, and I'm feeling to get myself a milkshake. Hopefully the milkshake machine don't break down, because clearly the milkshake machine ever broke down. I swear. The rain has gotten a lot worse, guys, I swear. It has gotten so much more worse. That's grammatically incorrect. So I just parked up just now, but driving on the road, something came to my head. Like, I was driving past this person, and like there's a lot of water, and like I almost splashed the person, but I had to like swerve out of the road, and you know, cause I never would want to, you know, get them all wet up on them something, because that happened to me before, and it's like one of the worst feelings ever. So has that ever happened to you? Have you ever like splashed someone on the road before, or you've been splashed before and you had to like walk home wet? Yo, just let me know about that, cause trust me, like that water on the road should taste like a whole bunch of stuff, and I'm not talking cookies and cream and milkshake, man. Alright guys, so we're currently at Destinie's birthday party. Okay, then they keep the music going. Nice music. Destinie know all them songs. So pretty much here at the birthday, and she's in her special dress, in her frozen dress. In her frozen outfit. With her friends and stuff. It's pretty cool. So the theme is Princess Party. How old are you today, Destinie? 4. Alright. So if you guys don't know, I'm a little bit weirded out being around children. Why? Because children generally tell the truth. So if a child thinks that your breath is stink, the child will be like, yo, mommy, his breath is stink. And I really hate that, yo, I swear. What is behind me?
Destinie, happy birthday to you. How old are you now? Hey. How old are you now? How old are you? Steven, is it recording? Ready, baby? Oh wait, I need one from our Snapchat. Do that. Please do that. Okay, ready? And blow. Hey! Come cut the cake with your best friend Alain or no?
You got what's mine?
Ellie. Uno. I told 3. Okay, ready? Uno, dos, tres. Hey!
So like it's really hard to like do this and take photos because I'm not like the world's best photographer, but like everybody here is having a pretty good time. We're pretty interested in a song selection because Destinie apparently has a cell phone. Hey. There's only one thing that I was wondering, you know, what's missing here, because normally they had like the slides and like all that. So I don't know what's happening, if they have slides or whatever, because that's normally what people look for when we come to like a McDonald's or a Burger King, but I don't see that here. I don't know what happened, but it was definitely here maybe like a few years ago or so. So I just got some update. There's no light in there. It's not really cool because I came here to use the slides and the ballroom and whatever, but there's no light.
Everybody wants to play a game of Simon Says? Yeah. Very cool game. Would you agree? Sorry. You want it?
Guys, so they're about to release the playhouse. Everything will get crazy. It's gonna be amazing.
Of course. Happy birthday. I guess she's very Elsa, right? Queen Elsa. No frozen song? Mr. Frozen thingy. No frozen song?
You want to hear Frozen? To hear Frozen?
Oh my gosh, the Let It Go song.
Let it go!
Yeah. So where is he? No one frozen song.
Here we go.
1, 2, 3.
Going crazy.
Oops.
Soon come back. DJ soon fix that. Yeah, man. Let it go!
If you come out on YouTube, the song will cut off.
Jude, I see detailing on the dress. If you don't know that song, you're not breathe. So we just went into the playhouse. I was trying to take photos with the camera, but like he kept on talking about some stuff like danger, well not danger, but like some red brick on the screen. I'm not really a photo savvy person, so I don't buy my camera to like take photos. I use my camera for videos and for vlogging. But yeah, Judah was like, when I have children, I'm not doing nothing like this.
No, I didn't know not like that. In terms of like, I can't have a party at our restaurant. It's not going to work. Like, I was inside the playground for like 10 minutes. Hot as them home. Too much kids. I can't. I didn't.
Baby, you always hot. Guys, the kids them there so I eat right now, and nuggets have never smelled this good. Like, I feel so hungry right now looking at all them kids eating all those nuggets and stuff. Oh god damn. I'll show you what's happening real quick. They're having their nuggets and stuff and their burgers.
Alright, hold on, let me go get her.
Them I tip you?
No, it is.
So guys, here looking in the camera. Every time I look in the camera, she said I'm being conceited. But I'm actually trying to get the camera focused first, and then I'm ready to go. Huh?
What is that? Putty bunny.
You putty bunny?
Me? I don't give a how I live. It's talking about.
So yeah, the big people food come. So I'm just looking at this film like I'm about to snatch their burgers. Guys, I don't know if it's a birthday party or what, but this is probably the most excited I've ever been in a long time for a Whopper. Like, I'm so excited. Miss Princess, if her burger don't cut in half, she can't eat it.
Leave me alone.
That's rough. Guys, I don't know if I ever tell you. Anytime when she wants something, she say, like she hold me down and she's like, call me Princess, please.
No, it's not.
We're not gonna do that again. Like when you're trying to get like Alright. So Judah is directing traffic, guys. Got the wet floor.
There you go.
So Judah wasn't looking for 1 second and a child almost got messed up. And the funny thing is, like I want 4 of them.
Alright, I'm on my post.
You got it, right? Alright, good job. How much y'all charge per hour?
Mommy, $500 for half an hour, you hear?
Wow. So I just got my Halloween bucket. And I got candy inside. I'm actually going to use the bucket just to do a how-to video on my other channel. Like my hairstyle that I did today, I did a how-to video on how's Ibby, so you guys can check that out really quick. But anyway, yeah, Judah said it's my ramen noodle hairstyle, but I don't care because she eats ramen. She eats ramen, so. So anyway guys, as always I'm gonna leave you guys with these 3 things. Love, nature, adaptation, and remember to keep the link. Judah.
What do you want her to do?
Remember to subscribe.
Tell the vloggers to subscribe to his channel and tell them thank you for watching. Ready? Set, go! What is it to subscribe?
Jesus.
Thank you for watching. Gabriel. You guys see buckets already, sweetie? Huh? You guys see buckets? Just say thank you for watching. And subscribe. Hey, give them a smile and a kiss. Give them a kiss. Give them a kiss.
No lie.